ultimately, this is how our art display ended up looking on my backpack rack that I use. We have a variety of different pieces from different artist inspirations. And this is our open house display. I had some pieces that were put over on the shelf here. And all of these were inspired by various artists. Like, that's an MC Escher inspiration. I think that's Monet or Matisse or something like that, I don't know. Andy Warhol. That might be Van Gogh, Starry, Starry Night, Impressionism. Yeah. It's nice. I like that reflection in that one. And that's just gross. It's disgusting.